And good morning, Facebook. Another bright and sunny day here in Cheshire, in sunny Cheshire, at the SimplyDiag.net Community Hub. Well, what can I say? Weekend in Windermere, absolutely fantastic. Support my mate Adam, landlord of the Witten Chimes. He's up there at the Queen's in Windermere for a couple of weeks. Temporary landlording up there for the brewery. So I decided to have a bit of a weekend away, recharge my batteries and all that sort of thing. It was absolutely awesome. Got back yesterday, fixed a couple of cars yesterday when I got back, and we're back at it this morning bright and early. The hub's all ready. We've got 2 ride-alongs this week. Got Liam and James today and tomorrow come down from Lawson Auto Tech in Falkirk. So we've got Liam and James along for ride-alongs this week. It's going to be absolutely awesome. Morning, Ian. How are you, mate? Yeah, it's absolutely going to have 2 really good days looking at process, utilising technical topics for rights, logical test procedures, all that sort of stuff. Morning, Kev. How are you, mate? And yeah. And then Thursday, off to Amsterdam with the DPF doctor. Work, not pleasure. And we're going for a networking event being held on Saturday in Almere. And there's details of that. If you go onto the DPF doctor's Facebook page, there's details of that event if you want to come and join us in Almere in the Netherlands. It'll be myself, the DPF doctor Darren Darling, and Diagnostics Dan. We're all doing a couple of talks. And yeah, it's going to be a great networking event, that is. And so if you're around Almere, feel free, jump on the thing, say you're going, and come and see us. It's going to be awesome. Morning, Andy. Morning, Jason. Who else have I missed? Hang on a minute. Who else have I missed? Keith, Jason, Andy. That's it. You said good morning to everybody. Yeah, so it's going to be an absolutely awesome week. Very busy. And then next week, when I get back from Amsterdam, I'm off down to Technical Topics, 2nd and 3rd, for the e-promming course. Really can't wait for that. Hotel's all booked. We're ready to rock and roll on that. It's going to be absolutely awesome, that is. So I'll be doing a bit of coding and all that sort of stuff, bit of soldering, bit of board work. It's going to be really good, learning the ins and outs of hexadecimal, binary and all sorts. Morning, David. How are you, mate? And then, the week after that, Thunderbird 5 is getting an inaugural run out. Look at this. Thunderbird 5, the Pickler Tools Volvo, is getting an inaugural run out. We're going to drive it up to Newcastle. She's tax insured and MOT now. We're driving her up to Newcastle, and we're going to do some product testing. We're going to suss out the DPF, different cleaning products that we can use, different test procedures. It's going to be a really good run out for the Pickler Volvo. That I can't wait. Morning, Jason. How are you, mate? Morning, Andrew. Morning, Clayton. So I'm really looking forward to getting a run out on her. Although saying that, it's a manual, so I'm not used to driving a manual. But we'll, Thunderbird 5 on the road. If you see it out and about on the motorway, at a service station, parked up somewhere, feel free to come over and say hi. Morning, Mick. How are you, mate? So yeah, we've got some awesome stuff on the way. Morning, Jonathan. Got Alex is coming over from Glossop this morning with the new fuse box for the Citroen, Peugeot, whatever it is, the silver thing. So that'll be gone later today. It's going to be absolutely awesome. What a day! And we're going to load the Volvo up, obviously, with all the kit we've got from Pickler. And we'll give the AdBlue test kit, the pressure test kits, the torque wrenches and all that. We're going to give them a run out as well. So we'll be fully loaded. So if you see the Pickler Volvo on the road, feel free, flash the lights, honk your horn, wave. Come and grab hold of me at the services, whatever. It's going to be absolutely awesome. Can't wait. Morning, Martin. How are you, mate? So yeah, the hub's up and running, ready. I've got a number 9 somewhere, so I'll grab a cup of coffee for Madness and Shoes. Can't wait. Thanks for watching. Member Zoom will be on shortly. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome Tuesday. You're awesome.